This is Community Connection, putting you in touch with what's happening within the community and on our campus. Here's your host.
Welcome to Community Connection. My name is Rob Thomas. Krista Kiessling has always been a welcome guest here on the program. She's with the Center for Campus and Community Connections and here to share with us information about resources available to students and the fact that you've got some other news that's coming up that includes a move.
Yes. Thank you for having me. I always enjoy being here. Yeah, we have a lot going on right now in the center. If you're not aware, the Center for Campus and Community Connections exists to connect students to any resource they need on or off campus while they're taking classes. So that could be food, housing, transportation, heating bills, that kind of thing. So we're a walk-in center, but you can also email us or call us to set up an appointment and discuss your specific need. We are relocating, which is exciting because
Right now, you're located in College Hall in rooms
148, 147, and 148 is where our food pantry and our center is located. We are coming back to our space. We are not leaving it for good. There's going to be some beautiful new construction happening to make it even nicer for students. But in the meantime, we're staying in College Hall, but we will be in 123.
So you've got to be excited about the renovations that are going to take place when you see the new space that you'll get into.
I am, very much. After seeing the student lounge and some of the other renovations on campus, I'm really excited to see what they do with our space. We've been using recycled spaces since we started our project, so it's really exciting to see them design something specifically for what we do.
The other fun component of that room that you're currently in as well is the fact that you've got that garden right outside.
Correct. Both the garden and the food pantry are connected to the office, which really helps all of us. So the garden's right outside. We can grow fresh vegetables and distribute those through the food pantry. Obviously, the food pantry is connected on the other side. We now have the career closet and the free store. That's probably new since I visited the show previously.
What is a free store?
A free store is just as it sounds. It's a space where we put items on a shelf that students are able to use that might otherwise end up in a dumpster at a donation site. So everything from school supplies to textbooks to housewares. We try to think about what students might need when they're going to move into their first apartment or move out of their parents' home or separate homes. You never know. So we carry a little bit of everything. Right now we have coats and cold weather gear. I do want to tell you about our giving tree too.
That's coming up with the holidays?
It is. Every year we do a giving tree. So we put up a tree, we invite students to give us a tag with a list of gift items, usually for their immediate family members, because going to school is expensive and hard and might not have extra income to purchase those gifts for your family. And then we have very generous faculty and staff who, instead of donating to an external agency, will choose a tag and buy items for that student family. All anonymous, really, really wonderful program. So if students want to get a tag created, they should reach out to me very soon.
Before you move for the renovation, about what's the time frame look like for that?
It's the week of December 6th that we'll be moving, but since we're in the same building, we don't really see that there's going to be an interruption in any of the services we're offering. So any student that works with us usually reaches out to us first and we schedule an appointment. So we'll still be doing that. We just might be a little mobile for about a week.
And if faculty or other students would like to participate in the giving tree, they can reach you before December 6th, and then after that they can come to room?
They can come to room 123, but they'll be able to reach me via email, no matter whether it's before or after, at connections@owens.edu.
How do you reach out to students that may be a little hesitant to come into the Center for Campus and Community Connections?
We have a variety of different types of outreach. So we will email students en masse and let them know about things that are going on. We also try, if you haven't been to our center, you really should visit. We try to create an environment that's relaxing, that's warm, that makes
Krista,
you feel at ease.
We are just about out of time. I'd like to thank you for sharing that with us. Krista Kiessling has been our guest. This is Community Connection.
This has been Community Connection. If your group or organization would like to appear on Community Connection, message us from the Owens Community College Radio Facebook page. This has been Community Connection.